that strong enough?
I think so. Can I hold your butt?
Hello everyone. So we're up to day number 6. I want to do one more bar across the rear quarter panel horizontally, just to add a little bit more beef to the back as opposed to the front. I've got a few measurements with me, and it's just 3 bends. So you'll obviously see it later in the video, but it's just a series of 3 bends. They're all in line with each other, so it's not very difficult compared to what we've already done. And hopefully today I can get the front bumper done and the rear bumper done, which just requires mounting them and welding them. And then we've got a whole ton of little small details to do, so we're not close to the end yet, but we've gotten past all the big stuff, which is really good. Alright, so the first bend is 160 mil from the end, and it's going to be a 45-degree bend.
I'ma show you
This material we're working with is still the wrong material, but it is 2 mil wall thickness instead of 1.6 mil wall thickness. And the difference is pretty big, but still makes for crap bends. And the material was twice the cost of the 1.6. So this was the only thing they had in stock at the moment. So I went with the 2 mil just because I didn't really want to wait another week for the 1.6. So yeah. Alright, so the second bend is 310 millimeters from the first bend, and it is a 18 to 19 degree bend. Okay, so the third and last bend is at 585 millimeters from the previous line we made, and it is a 10 degree bend. Now the slightly difficult part, making both sides look the exact same. Both sides are actually exactly the same, just judging by how high it sits compared to the guard. I'm just looking, I think both sides are perfect. Is that strong enough?
I think so. Can I hold your butt?